This is the weather forecast video for Saturday, April the 21st, 2012. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening, a cold front with some showers and thunderstorms off to our east and down into the Gulf Coast, and another disturbance around the western ridge will be coming through with maybe a shower or two later today and into tonight. Watch warning map at midnight was just quiet. The frost and freeze advisory that was posted earlier over us and also over lower Michigan, and you can see there's not much else, fairly quiet. GPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Wednesday evening at 7 o'clock. Heaviest rain will be along the east coast and in New England, where upwards of 3 to 4 inches possible. Here there could be a bit of rain, maybe up to 1/4 of an inch in the northeast counties. So let's take a look at that rain with the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. You can see the ridge over the west and a pretty broad trough over the east with some energy over the Gulf Coast. That'll be producing a storm system down there. Here we have a disturbance to our north and northwest that could kick off a shower or maybe an embedded thunderstorm, chances about 20 to 30%. That moves off Sunday, although the model still wants to bring a chance of a shower. Are kind of going to hold back on that. Temperatures will start to rise back into at least the 60s on Sunday. And Monday, that storm running up the east coast with the rain. The trough is still there. The ridge is still to our west, so we're still right in the middle with 60s across the state. Into Tuesday, there could be a disturbance once more riding around that ridge, so there could be a 20% chance of a shower. But better chances here Wednesday with a low pressure over northern Missouri. Could see some overrunning with some showers and maybe an isolated thunderstorm. Temperatures, after having been in the 70s, may drop into the upper 60s, maybe mid-60s. That system then drops straight south, and high pressure starts to control the weather from Canada, so we could see a dip back into at least the 60s, maybe low 70s. And we warm up again slightly as the high pressure begins to move off into the Great Lakes. Some showers to our west and southwest at that time. And a week from today, on the 28th, we have a decent storm system, or at least a decent trough over the western states, and with that, Gulf will be, starting to become open, and we could see some showers and thunderstorms by next weekend, but we still have several other disturbances up until that point. A couple days later, May 2nd, a pretty wavy pattern, a bit of a trough over the northwest, and a ridge over us, and a trough over New England, but no real big dips and ridges, and looks fairly tranquil. Maybe a shower or two. Maybe about average temperatures, maybe slightly above average, depending on clouds. End of the forecast, May 6th. Peace energy over southern Canada. Pretty decent ridge over the southeastern, about third or half of the country, with a trough over the west. And we could see a scattered shower or storm with that. But the main energy will be to our north, so that looks to be a lot warmer into the first week of May. We'll have to see about that. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.